lettuce, Adzuki bean and mushroom stir fry. Prepare the ingredients. Cut 1 carrot into thin matchstick sized pieces. Slice 2 large mushrooms. Remove the stalk from 1 iceberg lettuce. Cut the iceberg lettuce in half, cut into wide strips and then half again. Remove the outer leaves of the 3 scallions. Finely slice the scallion whites. Slice the greens in half lengthwise. Slice in half lengthwise again, then cut into 1-inch lengths. In a jug, add half a cup of vegetable stock. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Add 2 tablespoons of tamari. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Heat a wok over a high heat. Add the sliced mushrooms. Cook until soft and golden on sides. Then remove from the pan. Add the carrots, add the scallions, add the lettuce, and stir fry for 1 minute. Add the mushrooms, add the Adzuki beans, add the sauce. Stir fry for 2 minutes until the sauce boils and thickens. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. To serve, place the stir fry on a platter. Top with the scallions. Top with sesame seeds. And serve.